If you are wondering if a OnePlus 15R supports the power sharing, then the answer is yes, but only the wired power sharing. Unfortunately, reverse wireless charging is not available on this phone, so if you want to charge other devices, like for example another smartphone or maybe some USB devices, devices that can be connected with the USB cable, then in this case you can of course connect these devices together. So if I connect my OnePlus 15R to this another smartphone over here, there we go, then we should be able to start charging. Now of course sometimes it's gonna work immediately. As you can see now, my other smartphone is being charged, but there is a chance that, for example, if you connect your OnePlus 15R to another smartphone, then your OnePlus 15R will be the one that is being charged. So in order to fix that, if you want to charge instead of being charged, then you should be able to find the charging this device via USB notification. You can tap on it and you can switch to reverse charging. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.